Now, the idea of metacognition we will explore in much greater depth throughout all of these workshops. But if we think that metacognition is where you become aware of your own thinking, the processes you're thinking, how the thinking developed, that you can monitor how your thinking is developing. So examples in this could be, at first I didn't really focus on the movement relative to the ruler, more the movement of the two fingers together. And it's possible to say, I didn't really think that actually which finger I was moving. Good questions for metacognition often are, what did you find easy? What did you find hard? And why? Why was one thing hard compared to something being easy? Also, what did we learn and how did we learn it? These are often very important questions to ask at various stages during a lesson. They can be quite quick. Tell us something that you just learned. How did that happen? Discuss that in your small group and let's report back. And so we can share some of these insights into our own learning and really monitor the kind of thinking that's going on. This often then leads us to another stage that we often call the bridging stage. Bridging is where we get our understanding and try to bridge it and connect it to maybe extending the phenomena we're looking at, or apply this thinking to different phenomena. We'll be doing that throughout these workshops. I'll give you an example now of a bridging move. Often bridging is started by a, what if we do type question. So, what if we put 100-gram mass above the marking where the right finger was, just supporting the weight of the ruler? And again, we can repeat this experiment where we've done one what if. What if we put a mass on top of the right finger? Again, you could ask the students, can you predict what you now think will happen? This is where you're using your previous experience, you're bridging from your previous experience to make a new prediction and a new explanation. That would be an example of a what if question. Maybe you want to make that prediction before you actually carry it out. Then another what if could be, what if we move the mass near to the center of the ruler and repeat the experiment? More what ifs could be, well, what if we move the mass over towards the left finger? What do you predict will happen? How would you explain what will happen? That's an example of bridging close to the original phenomena. Later in some of the workshops, we'll see how you can bridge across phenomena that appear very, very unrelated. This is where bridging becomes powerful, to apply the ways of thinking that have been learned to new and different phenomena.